Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can convert your OnePlus 7T device to OnePlus 8T Cyberpunk Edition. So it will include all Cyberpunk boot animation, warp changing animation, fingerprint animation, and there'll be an icon pack as well. So all the files link will be in the description below. Download everything, and before that your device must be rooted and bootloader must be unlocked. So if you don't know how to do that, there'll be a link on top right corner of the screen, or there'll be a link in description below. Go there, root your device, and then continue along with this video. So once you have rooted your device, there'll be a Magisk app on your device. Just open that. After that, click on this right bottom, there'll be a module icon. After I click on this search icon and then search for overlay mount fix. You need to download this in order to Cyberpunk mod to get successfully installed. So after you download it, just wait for some time. It will be downloaded. After that, click on that and click on install. Okay, so once you have installed that, you have to reboot your device. Click on reboot on right bottom corner of the screen. Okay, so once your device is booted up, then go to Magisk again, then click on the module, and I hope you have downloaded all the files from the description below. When you have done that, just click on install from storage and look for your Cyberpunk zip file which you downloaded from description below, which will be like this. The file will be of 190 MB. Just click on that and wait for it to get flashed. Okay, so once it's flashed, just reboot your device again. Okay, so once your device is booted up again, go to your settings, then go to customizations, then click on preset theme and click on Cyberpunk 2077 and click on apply. So once you do that, your whole device will be converted into Cyberpunk style. So this is not just it, I will show you something even much better. So there will be a link for icon pack of Cyberpunk as well in the description below. You can download that and install that as well to give it more of a feel of Cyberpunk. So once it's installed, go to your settings, then go to customizations, then click on icon pack and just choose Cyberpunk and click on save. So once you do that, you can see there will be a Cyberpunk style icon pack as well. So I'll be showcasing fingerprint animation, warp animation and boot animation in a second. So I will shift back to my another device so that I can record that. Okay, so as you can see, I shifted to my device. So when I will lock my screen and unlock it again, so I will put my another finger and you can see there will be a Cyberpunk warp animation. So I will connect my charger quickly and show you the warp animation of Cyberpunk as well. So I'll increase my brightness a little bit. I will connect my charger and lock my device. As you can see, the Cyberpunk warp animation. So I will show you the boot animation as well. I will restart my device. So as you can see, even the boot animation has been successfully installed now. Everything on your device has been converted as per the Cyberpunk 2077 special edition of OnePlus 8T, sorry. So this is it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please consider dropping that like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, as I will bring more and more videos of OnePlus 7T and for other Android device in general. So thank you so much for watching this video. Rotlin signing out.